All right, partial product. Well, first we're going to estimate, because we always want to estimate because we want to see if we get close to our answer. This is our like check to make sure that I got where I needed to be, like to make sure I didn't make any mistakes. So here I'm going to estimate that 38, if I round 38, the 8's going to tell the 3 to do what? Well, I know that 8 is going to tell the 3 to get bigger. So the 3 is going to become a 4 and the 8 becomes a 0. So 38 rounded to the nearest 10 would round to 40. 62 rounded to the nearest 10, I'm going to look, the 2 is going to tell the 6 to do what? Well, you should say the 6 to rest. So the 6 is going to stay, and then it's going to be a 0. So now I'm going to say 40 times 60. Well, I know that 4 times 6 is 24. And then I have 2 zeros here, so I'm going to put those on the end. So 40 times 60 is 2,400. Now we're going to do partial product to see if we get close to that answer. So first I'm going to multiply. I'm going to start here on the bottom. I'm going to multiply 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is going to give me 16. Then I'm going to multiply still 2, but I'm going to say 2 times the 3. And the 3, what is the value? How much is the 3 worth? Well, I know that that 3 is in the tens place, so 3 tens, right, would be worth 30. So I'm going to say 2 times 30. 2 times 30 is going to be 60. Okay? Now I'm going to move to the next number. My next number is going to be 6, but it's in the tens place, so it's not really 6. If it's in the tens place, that means that it's saying there are 6 tens, right? 6 tens. How much are 6 tens worth? Okay, well 6 tens, I know that if I was counting out my place value blocks, right? If I have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That would be 6 tens, right? How much would this be worth? Well, I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 tens would be worth 60. So this number is worth 60. So I'm going to say 60 times 8, because that 6 has to talk to that 8. Okay? So I know that 6 times 8 is 48, but I have a 0 here, so that would make it 480. Okay? Now I'm going to move to the next number, but I'm still doing 6. But it's not 6, it is 60. 60 times 3, but that 3 is not worth 3, it's worth 3 tens. And how much would that be worth? 10, 20, 30. So 60 times 30. Well, I know 6 times 3 is 18, and then I have 2 zeros, so that means that I should have 1,800. Right? Because 6 times 3 is 18, and then I have 2 zeros. Now I'm going to add 6 plus all these zeros would just be 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5, carry my 1 to the top. 1 plus 4 plus 8 is going to give me what? You should say, well, 8 plus 4 would be 12, plus 1 would give me 13. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer is 2,356, right? Is 2,356 close to what I estimated of 2,400? Well, if I put my 2,400 underneath here, are these close together? Yes. So did my answer check out? Yes. Now I want you to notice my estimation, was it larger or smaller than what my answer was? Well, if we look, we can say that this is greater. So my estimation was greater than my actual answer.